Welcome to the Heavy Chef channel. My name is Fred Roed. I am the CEO and founder of Heavy Chef. We are a platform for entrepreneurs. We believe that entrepreneurs are able to change the world for the better. That is the core belief of Heavy Chef, and with that in mind, we want to inspire people to start new projects and then empower them to succeed. And we do that in the form of recipes. And these recipes effectively are the recipes of the world's greatest technologists, leaders, and creatives, the people that are heavy chefs themselves, people that have walked a journey, that have dug the trenches, that have rolled up their sleeves, that have got stuck in, that have done their 10,000 hours, and that have the authority to talk on the various topics that are most salient and most relevant to the entrepreneurs that we serve.
Say